What if I told you that taking just 1 hour today could completely transform your financial future? In this video, I am challenging myself to build a monthly budget that's not just numbers on a page, but a real, flexible plan that works for my life. Let's see if I can stick to it, maybe inspire you to create your own. Budgeting is more than just tracking dollars. It's about taking control of your money before it controls you. A budget acts like a financial GPS, guiding you toward your goals while reducing money stress and helping you make smarter choices every day. Whether you're saving for a dream vacation, paying off debt, or simply tired of wondering where your money went, a well-planned budget is your foundation. Creating a budget is like having a roadmap for your money. It helps you make sure you're using your cash wisely, reaching your financial goals, and even reducing stress. Think about it. With a clear plan, you can prioritize what matters most to you. Whether that's saving for a big purchase, paying off debt, or simply having some extra spending money. Budgeting isn't just about cutting costs. It's about making conscious financial decisions. By tracking your income and expenses, you'll get a better understanding of where your money is going and can make adjustments to align with your goals. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a personal plan that should fit your lifestyle and aspirations. Many people think budgeting is restrictive, but it can actually be quite liberating. When you know exactly where your money stands, you gain control over your financial future. You can make informed decisions, enjoy your money guilt-free, and achieve financial stability. The idea of budgeting can seem daunting, especially if you're new to it. Don't worry, we'll break it down into manageable parts. The goal is to find a system that works for you, not against you. We've all been there. You start with the best intentions, only to find yourself derailed by unexpected expenses or simply losing motivation. It's common to feel like you're constantly playing catch-up with your finances. Life can be unpredictable, and expenses can pop up out of nowhere, making it hard to stick to a budget. Sometimes it's not just about the money. It's about the habits and mindset that come with budgeting. It can be tough to change your spending habits, especially if you're used to living paycheck to paycheck. But understanding that it's a process and being kind to yourself when you slip up can make a big difference. Lack of motivation is another major hurdle. If you're not seeing immediate results, it can be hard to stay on track. That's why it is essential to celebrate small wins and remind yourself why you started budgeting in the first place. Many people also struggle with the feeling of deprivation. Budgeting doesn't mean cutting out everything you enjoy. It's about finding a balance. You can still have fun and enjoy your life while making smart financial decisions. Another challenge is the fear of not knowing where to start. With so many budgeting methods and tools out there, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. But once you find a method that works for you, the rest falls into place. Some folks might feel like they're not good with numbers, or that budgeting is too complicated. But you don't have to be a math whiz to create a budget. There are many simple, user-friendly tools that can help you get started. Even with the best plan, unexpected expenses will arise. It's how you handle them that matters. Having an emergency fund in place can help you stay on track when life throws you a curveball. It's also important to remember that budgeting is a journey. You'll make mistakes, and that's okay. The key is to learn from them and keep moving forward. There are many budgeting methods out there, from the 50-30-20th rule to zero-based budgeting. You might find that a combination of methods works best for you. The key is to experiment and find what sticks. You can use apps, spreadsheets, or even just a notebook to track your expenses. The method you choose isn't as important as being consistent. Find something you enjoy, and you'll be more likely to stick with it. Automating your savings and bill payments can also make a big difference. It ensures you're setting aside money for your goals and paying your bills on time without having to think about it. Consider your financial goals, whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, paying off student loans, or building an emergency fund. Your budget should reflect these goals and help you make progress. It's also crucial to review and adjust your budget regularly. Life changes, and your budget should too. As your income, expenses, or goals change, make sure your budget reflects that. When creating a budget, start by tracking your income and expenses. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going. You can then categorize your expenses into needs, wants, and savings. Next, set clear financial goals. What do you want to achieve with your budget? Is it saving for a big purchase, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund? Now categorize your expenses into needs like rent, utilities, and groceries, and wants like dining out or entertainment. This will help you prioritize your spending. Assign dollar amounts to each category based on your goals and priorities. Be realistic and make sure you're not cutting too much from any one area. Finally, track your progress and adjust as needed. Budgeting isn't a set-it-and-forget-it process. It requires regular check-ins to ensure you're on track. To create a monthly budget that works for you, start by gathering all your financial information, including pay stubs, bills, and receipts. Then, use a budgeting tool or method that fits your style. Next, list all your income sources and calculate your total monthly income. This will be the foundation of your budget. Identify your fixed expenses, like rent and utilities, and your variable expenses, like groceries and entertainment. Make sure to include a category for savings and debt repayment. Allocate your income into these categories, making sure to prioritize your needs over your wants. Don't forget to include a buffer for unexpected expenses. Review your budget regularly to ensure you're on track to meet your goals. Adjust as needed, and don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up. Your budget should be a tool that helps you achieve financial stability and reach your goals. It's not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process that requires patience and flexibility. The key to a successful budget is finding a system that works for you and your lifestyle. Experiment with different methods and tools until you find one that sticks. In conclusion, creating a budget that works for you is all about finding a system that fits your lifestyle and financial goals. It's not about restriction. It's about making conscious financial decisions. By following these steps and being patient with yourself, you can create a budget that actually works. Remember, it's a journey, and it's okay to make mistakes along the way. The most important thing is to take control of your finances and make informed decisions. With a clear plan, you can achieve financial stability and reach your goals. So, what's the takeaway? Budgeting is a personal and ongoing process. It's about finding what works for you and making adjustments as needed. If you're struggling with budgeting or have a budgeting success story, I'd love to hear from you. Comment below with your experiences. And don't forget to check out my other videos on personal finance for more tips and tricks.